This is my student Emmanuel. Today, Emmanuel and I will be focusing on space, print, books, and time within the literacy environment. Emmanuel, can you give us a tour of this large group meeting area?
I will be happy to. This is the Message Time Plus board where we do MTP at 9:30 sharp. Where we do MTP is on the large carpet. This is my favorite part of the day because I get to get called up on the whiteboard and tell my teacher what word did I notice.
This is our Message Time Plus board where I do model writing and shared reading with the students. The students will come up and they will be scaffolded in their zone of proximal development, and this is where new learning takes place.
This is the GC word wall where Ms. Hudson gets the words from our read aloud books. We use these words for Message Time Plus, and when we are finished learning about this word in Message Time Plus, we put it on the Juicy Word Wall, or Ms. Hudson puts it on the Juicy Word Wall, and then we use it in our writing.
The juicy words are rich vocabulary words taken from our read-alouds. The purpose of this bulletin board is to expose third graders to rich vocabulary to include in their writing.
This is the word wall words where we use these words in Message Time Plus. Sometimes kids that don't know how to spell their words, they could look on the word wall to spell it. And then we use these words also in our writing.
The word wall words are the high frequency words that third graders must know at the end of third grade. The students reference these words during their writing and other times during the day. I know the students will spell these words correctly because they are easy to see and strategically placed in this area.
The chart that I use the most in this area is the adjectives chart. I use that the most because when I am writing, I get to describe the character. How old are they? Are they big or small? And what shape are they?
Emmanuel talked about one anchor chart that he uses frequently. However, we have many other anchor charts for students to reference, and that is so they can anchor their learning. The anchor charts are designed with, by, and for my students. The students refer to the charts quite often throughout the school day. The charts are designed with the students' individual needs in mind. I like that because it's so different from commercial print.
In addition to MTP, we also do a reading center here, a math center here. We share stories that we wrote in our writing journals and independent reading.